Hello, I am Essex County Sheriff Kevin Coppinger. I am speaking to you today about the increase in COVID cases we have seen at the Middleton Jail and House of Correction and what we are doing to control the spread of this highly contagious virus. First, I want to reassure everyone that the cases of COVID we are seeing within our population have been mild and no one has been hospitalized. In fact, over 70% of those inmates who have tested positive have not shown any signs or symptoms of the virus. From the start of this pandemic, we have been preparing for COVID to creep inside our facility. We started developing our response in January to ensure a safe continuity of operations and instituted a number of changes to protect our community, including 24-hour cleaning of our facilities, mandatory wearing of masks for all, strict social distancing, video court appearances, and more. And having very limited cases since April and 0 cases for nearly 2 months, the virus surged back 2 weeks ago. Because of the sharp increase, I reached out to the Massachusetts Department of Public Health for further guidance on controlling the spread. The decision was made to test every inmate and every Sheriff's Department employee and vendor. Over this past weekend, we tested 889 inmates and 401 employees and vendors at our Middleton facility. Today, we have 137 inmates who have tested positive. Again, over 70% of those testing positive are showing no signs or symptoms of the virus. All positive cases are being monitored and cared for around the clock and on site by our healthcare partners at WellPath. Every case is being treated accordingly, and comfort and care are our top priorities. The number of cases among employees showed a small uptick to 31 cases. Many of those cases also presented with either mild or no symptoms, and thankfully all are on the road to recovery. There have been no COVID cases at our other housing facilities, including the Essex County Pre-Release and Reentry Center in Lawrence and the Women in Transitions program in Salisbury. Out of an abundance of caution, we will be testing inmates and employees at those facilities, as well as those who work in other off-site locations on Tuesday. In all, we expect to have tested over 1,600 people over 3 days. We expect when this testing is done, we will see additional cases. This testing has been critical to determining our response. We know this virus is a challenge and it will hide in infected people without ever showing a sign or producing a symptom until it is spread to other individuals who may be so lucky. By testing everyone, we now know where each and every case resides, and our response is stronger and more effective. We have made additional changes at our Middleton facility to keep isolated those who have tested positive. We follow guidelines put out by the Centers for Disease Control and the State Department of Public Health. And everyone is wearing masks. Masks have been mandatory in our facility since the start of this pandemic. The safety of every single incarcerated person and every single employee is my top priority. I want to thank my staff for their continued commitment and tremendous service during this pandemic. My appreciation goes out to their families who have supported them through these trying times. These are trying times for all of us, and all for you. I wish everyone great health. I hope you all stay safe. My prayers are with you and your loved ones each and every night. We will continue to post updates on this situation on our website, www.essexsheriffma.org, and on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Thank you.